is going to be an unboxing of some new items. And then a few more new items. All right, let's do it. Welcome back to Lugnut TV with Jessie G, a channel for lug nuts all about the brand Lug. All of this is going to be bags that we already know that were released in some additional and new prints. So in our first box, ooh, this is a mask in solid orchid, which will match things that are also orchid. So I could wear this if I wanted to match my face to my orchid bags. And the thank you envelope. Small World multi-pen. Yes, you do fit in quite well with the theme of this box. Other things that you'll find in the thank you envelopes will be your invoice, information about their products, how to register an item, that kind of thing. What should we start with here? Okay, so I got some eco shoppers. Crimson Large Dot eco shoppers. So these have already been out for a little while, but I was kind of on a Disney themed kick that day, so had to add them to the box. Let's open one of them up. Imagine walking around one of the theme parks, open it up, and put your souvenirs in here. And then with the eco shoppers, you get a set of 2. Next, we've got 2 handbags in this box as well. The Shimmy is a great bag, really any version of the Shimmy. But what I like about the Shimmy SE is they made it just a little bit larger, and they also made the strap removable on this version. If you're new to Lug, one of the great features about a lot of their bags is that you get a hidden water bottle pocket right on the side here, and the Shimmy SE is going to be one of those bags that include that feature. So that's the Shimmy SE. Every time I buy a Carousel XL, I tell myself, which ends up being a bit of a lie, that it's going to be my last Carousel XL, and then they get released in another round of prints, which is what happened here. I couldn't pass this up. Had to have it. So in your Carousel XL, you're going to get card slots in the front, softline cargo pocket, another pocket back here, another pocket back here, and then a nice roomy main interior. This is a good east-west bag to carry around a book in. I'm able to fit one of my larger paperback books in here, no problem. So that concludes order number 1. We had the Shimmy SE and the Carousel XL, and we had the eco shoppers. Next up, box number 2. Let's see, another orchid mask, thank you envelope, with another Small World pen. You know, I think they were on to me that day. Lug is coordinating their free pens to my Disney orders. All right, so here we've got eco shoppers again, this time in the Small World print. And that's the great thing about eco shoppers, because then you get to see the full print on a large canvas. Oh man. And here's the big one. This is the Via 2 in black large dot. Not to be confused with white large dot, which is a different print. Best part, it comes with backpack straps that hide away. I do have videos on this bag already, and I will link those down below. Wow, this is what I live for, right here. So that concludes order number 2, the Via 2 and the eco shoppers. Who hurt you? Order number 3 contains thank you envelope. You guys are never gonna guess which freebies I have in here. Mask in solid orchid and a Small World multi-pen. I may have put a couple of other things in this order that were not necessarily Disney related, but I had to have them. This is the contemporary emerald, teal, emerald, take 2. This is the contemporary emerald coupe. Oh, it is green. This is gonna be great for Christmas. I'm going to wear this and I'm going to stand next to my Christmas tree and I'm just going to stand there. So you can wear this one as a belt bag. You can also wear it as a crossbody. I do have a video on the coupe already. I will link that down below as well. So there's another coupe. This is in Shimmer wine. So that's 2 coupes in this order. If my husband asks, I'm going to tell him I had a coupon. I do like the shimmer. The shimmer. One more thing. We have a Tram wallet, and I was so excited to see that a couple more Tram prints came out because the Tram is my jam. I really do love it. It is a great full-size wallet that can still fit in your smaller bags. So if you're really looking for the sweet spot medium-sized wallet that Lug makes, I would probably point you in this direction first. That concludes order number 3. The final box. All right. Thank you envelope. Did we get an orchid mask and a small rolled pen? A small world pen. Listen, I love this print, obviously, so I'm thrilled. Where's that mask? Where's my orchid mask? Fear not. It is here. Where should we start? Okay, since we just went over the small world trim, let's start with the crimson large dot trim. I could not resist. Number 1, because it is a tram. Number 2, because this is the only medium-sized wallet that at this time exists in this print. So there is the Tango and there is the regular splits wallet. Now we've got the tram. You are gonna go great with the Carousel XL. And of course, because I got the Ego Shoppers in crimson large dot and small world, I had to also get black large dot. See, I like this for every day too. None of this stuff has to be reserved for when you go on vacation. I mean, I'm gonna bring this to Walmart. So here they are together. Wow, I love it. This is kind of the grand finale. This is where my ordering started. I started with this before I added all of this other stuff. This is the Mambo in black large dot. See, I think I finally got it. A few of you were already aware that I have 4 Mambos, which makes this my Mambo number 5, which I can't wait to tell my husband about. Because he loves puns, especially when they're bag puns. Wow. I do like that. I think this might be a thing. Here are all 3 together. So we've got crimson large dot, small world multi, and black large dot. Each of these bags has their own Ego Shopper. Could this be more thrilling? And 2 of them have their own wallets. I'm sorry that you don't get a wallet. That is gonna wrap up this haul. Look at that. That's another thing. I cannot wait to use these. I am going to be so Disney next time I go to Target. Thanks so much for watching this haul with me. Let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And ring that bell so you're notified to new content as it's uploaded. All right, I'll see you guys next time.